I feel terrible. My head hurts. My throat hurts. Everything hurts.
Jake? Are you okay? You look very pale.
I feel a bit cold. I'm not sure.
I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I feel dizzy. I think I am very ill.
You might have a fever. Jake, you need to see a doctor. I'll call the surgery right now.
Yes, please. I think I need help. I also have a cough, and I feel nauseous.
Hello? I'd like to book an appointment for my friend, please. He has a headache, a fever, and a sore throat. Jake! Good news! We have an appointment at 10. Get dressed. We leave in 30 minutes.
I am ready. But I feel so weak. I can't believe how ill I am.
Come on, Jake. You are going to be fine. It is probably just a cold. Hello. We have an appointment. The name is Jake. Of course. Please, take a seat. The doctor will see you shortly. How long have you been feeling unwell?
Since this morning, I have a headache, a sore throat, a cough, and I feel dizzy. Emma, what if it is something serious? I have a pain in my chest too. When I breathe, it hurts.
Jake, you have a cold. That is all. The doctor will check you, and you will be fine. I promise.
Jake! Emma! What a surprise! Are you here to see the doctor too?
I feel terrible, Mr. Bush. Headache, fever, sore throat, cough, dizziness. I have everything.
Oh, you poor thing. My husband had the same last week. It sounds like the flu. But don't worry. You will feel better soon.
Have you taken anything for it? When I had it, I took some medicine and rested for 2 days. I was fine.
See? Told you. It is just a cold. You will survive, Jake. Jake? The doctor will see you now. Please come through.
Wish me luck.
He reminds me of myself at his age, always thinking the worst.
Good morning. Where does it hurt? Can you tell me your main symptoms?
I have a headache, a fever, a sore throat, a cough, and it hurts when I breathe.
How long have you had these symptoms? And have you taken anything for it?
Since this morning. No. I have not taken anything. I came straight here.
Okay. Good news. You do not have the flu. You have a common cold. It is not serious.
Just a cold? Are you sure? It feels much worse than a cold.
Rest at home, drink lots of water, and you will feel better in 3 days.
Thank you, doctor. I have a prescription. 3 days? Okay, I can do that.
It is just a cold. The doctor gave me a prescription. I need to go to the pharmacy.
See? I told you. Just a cold. Let's go to the pharmacy. Get well soon, Mr. and Mrs. Bush.
Hello, I have a prescription. Can you help me, please?
Of course. I'll get that ready for you. Do you have any allergies to any medicine? No, no allergies. But how many times a day should I take it? And are there any side effects? Take it 3 times a day after meals. Some people feel a little sleepy. That is the only side effect. All right?
Sleepy? Perfect. You need rest anyway. And at least you won't be able to complain.
I was not complaining. I was just describing my symptoms accurately.
Of course. You were just describing them. 6 times.
I actually feel a little better already. Maybe it wasn't that bad.
Not that bad? Jake. Jake. 30 minutes ago, you thought you were dying.
Well, I was taking it seriously. That is important for your health.
Sure, Jake, sure. Come on, let's get you home to rest. Take your medicine, drink lots of water, and rest. You will be fine in 3 days.
You know what? I learned a lot of new English today. Headache, fever, prescription, side effects.
See? Every cloud has a silver lining. Even a cold can teach you something new.
Have you ever been to the doctor in English? Tell us your story in the comments below.
Which word from today was new for you? Headache? Prescription? Side effects? Write it in the comments. We read every one.
Are you good at talking about your health in English? Tell us in the comments. And help other learners too.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give it a like and subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy for new English lessons every week. And please turn on your notifications. That way you will never miss our next lesson.
If you are feeling unwell today, we hope you feel better soon. Take care of yourself.
See you next time.
Subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy.
Bye.